Hey guys, it's me, Dory. Today, you're not only going to be learning your colors, you're also going to be helping me find my friends. They're in there somewhere, and I know you can help me find them. So, are you guys ready? Let's go ahead. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mystery Toys. So, as you heard from Dory, we're going to be finding her friends. They're in some of these Play-Doh cans, so let's go ahead and help her out. First, we have the Night Ninja from PJ Masks. And this is the color red. Oh, look! We found Hank! We found Dory's first friend. Next, we have Mel from Secret Life of Pets. And here's the color yellow. And look who we have here. We have Max. Next, we have Owlette. And here's the color purple. Is this one of Dory's friends? No, but it's Chloe from the Secret Life of Pets. Look at those pretty stripes. Next, we have Sweet Pea. And here's the color white. I see some white. Could this be one of Dory's friends? It is, you guys! We have found Bailey! Great job, you guys! Dory's gonna be so happy! Next, we have Catboy. And here's the color blue. What's this sticking out, you guys? That looks like some sort of tail. Is it from a dolphin or a shark? I see some spots. It's Destiny, you guys, from Finding Dory. And she's a whale shark. And she's one of Dory's good friends. Next, we have Buddy. And this is the color orange. Who's in here? It's Mr. Incredible. Next, we have Gecko. And here's the color green. Look who we have! It's Chuck from the Angry Birds movie. Look at those long feathers. And the long beak. And lastly, we have Gidget. And this is the color pink. I see a pretty dress. Look, it's Sophia the First. Look at that pretty tiara and the necklace, and her dress is beautiful. I'm so happy you guys have found my friends. thank you so much. My memory is so bad I couldn't have done it without you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well, and leave a comment down below and let me know which one of my friends are your favorite. Thanks for watching, you guys, and bye for now.